So I've been editing on DaVinci Resolve about 3 to 4 years now, and I've only just found out about this feature, and that is completely unacceptable. Now, I know DaVinci Resolve has loads of things that I still don't know and I will always continue to learn, but this should be a core thing that everyone should know. So on the color page, you of course have all of your clips here, your tools, your nodes, and the actual viewer. Now, this viewer for me is a bit too small sometimes, and you just want a bigger way to view it, whether that's using another monitor or just having it full screen. Now, of course, you can use your different shortcuts to make it full screen. You can get rid of the clips, you can get rid of the nodes, you can do all these things, but then you can't really control things as well. So I learned this from this guy here, Piero Gianni, definitely messing that up. But let's say I'm editing on something like Enhancer or maybe the Filmlet Creator, and I have all of my tools here on the right. Instead of me editing and seeing this quite small or having to close the clips, get a little bit bigger, you can actually go to like a full screen mode while still editing this. So by pressing Shift F, are you seeing this? Full screen, I still have access to edit all of these different options, do all of this stuff while seeing it in a much bigger format. Mind blown. Why didn't I know this years ago? And if your keyboard shortcut isn't set to Shift F for whatever reason, because I think that is the default, you can just go to Workspace, Viewer Mode, and Full Page Viewer. And there you have it. That to me is unbelievable. Now you can edit your stuff like you would in Lightroom or Photoshop. And whilst I have you here, may as well double up the value. If you have loads of different clips of different formats, different, talking head, B-roll and stuff, if you color code those clips, so you can see here, I've color coded my talking heads to blue. If I just want to grade those clips, I can go up to clips here, go to clip color, and now it's only going to show me, oh, that's not blue, that's navy. Try again, there we go. Now it's only going to show me my talking head clips. So if I want to copy or color grade to all of them, when obviously in the timeline, that's not how it looks. There's loads of different things involved. You can do it that way. Just make sure to take this off when you do go to export. Otherwise it does kind of mess up. But yeah, you're welcome.